Learn English through Love Conversation Part 2. 1. Never be apart from me. 2. I never want to be apart from you. 3. I miss you so much. 4. I don't want to go far from you. 5. You are everything to me. 6. Never go far from me. 7. My heart loves you. 8. I am lost in thoughts of you. 9. I talk to you in my thoughts. 10. You are the heartbeat of my heart. 11. You live in my heart. 12. I live in your heart. 13. You come into my dreams every day. 14. I want to tell you a secret. 15. How much do you love me? 16. Did you have a girlfriend? 17. Can you tell me everything about your heart? 18. I will keep you happy. 19. I will be happy with you. 20. I want to meet you alone. 21. I want to tell you what's in my mind. 22. You are only for me. 23. God made you for me. 24. I cannot bear this distance. 25. I want to marry you. 26. Will you be a good husband? 27. I want to be a good wife. 28. Make me talk to your mother. 29. Whenever I am upset, you should comfort me. 30. You are the most special to me. Subscribe for more.